Hello and welcome. It is the summer season and this year we are having a lot of heat waves across different parts of the country. It is very essential this year to keep ourselves cooling, to keep ourselves hydrated and ensure that we have a natural diet that makes sure that we regain all of those electrolytes and the minerals that are lost due to the sweat in this heat. Also, it becomes essential that during summers we know that we go through problems like acidity or the pitta in your body increases, and hence it is necessary to have diet that takes care of your acidity levels as well as the pitta levels in your body. We shall be speaking about some fruits, vegetables and certain cooling, refreshing, relaxing drinks. What is a summer without refreshing drinks? Let's begin. Now, apples have 85% of water. It also has a very high content of fiber, which is ideal for your summers. What grows more in the summers is your melons. Now, whether it is watermelons or it is any other melons, these melons are very high in water content, more than 90% of water, good amount of fiber and necessary properties that can last you for this summer very comfortably. Try and get some pineapples. Pineapples also have about 86% of water. They are also very anti-inflammatory because of the compound called bromelain within them. If you are worried about going out in the sun and getting tanned or disturbing your skin, then do not worry. You just need to stock on a lot of oranges. Oranges are also produced maximum in the summer seasons, and these oranges have certain properties that gives you natural UV protection. Do not worry about mangoes increasing your weight this season. Now, when you consume mangoes, your mangoes when soaked for 15 minutes into the water before consuming, it gives you ideal content of iron, selenium, fiber, and what a yummy fruit it is. Papayas are very good as antioxidants, and guavas, which are rich in vitamin C, will also take care of diarrhea or dysentery related problems. Let's move to some vegetables now. In vegetables, number 1, bottle gourd, which is also called lauki in Hindi. This bottle gourd is extremely hydrating, it is cooling, it is very low in calories, and it is very good for your weight and your heart conditions. How about pumpkin? Now, pumpkin is very good in beta carotene. It also has very good amount of vitamin A, which is ideal for the summers. How can you skip summers without having cucumbers? Especially in India, you have your kakdi and you have your kheera, the different types of cucumbers. Now, they are extremely hydrating. They have good amount of fiber. They give you the necessary electrolytes and minerals that you may have lost during the summers. And it is, of course, very cooling. You can have it in the raita or you can have it as your salads the way you like it. Tomatoes are another one. Now, tomatoes have more than 95% of water and they are also excellent to be consumed in the summer season. How about spinach? Now, spinach, which is also called palak, has more than 92% of water, and this is also extremely good to be consumed as juices or smoothies during your summer season. How about pudina, which is mint leaves? A refreshing mint juice is also going to give you amazing results for cooling, for hydration, and for taking care of your digestion related issues. Let's come to some drinks now. Number 1, the top of the list is tender coconut water. Now, you get it almost everywhere in the country. Tender coconut water is excellent because it is the purest form of water. It has the necessary electrolytes, the necessary minerals, absolutely the right drink to start your day, especially in the summers. Having a glass of buttermilk post your lunch is excellent. It gives you more than 90% of water, and it also gives you pre and probiotics, which takes care of your gut bacteria. I insist on having something seasonal and local produce. Now, in some parts of the country, you get ice apples. Say, for example, in Maharashtra, they are called tadgore. In different parts of the country, they may have different names, but it's like this slimy little fruit which is like the cream of the coconut. You open it up and a burst of water comes into your mouth. It's a beautiful fruit. You must have it during the summers. If you have an access to kokum, then kokum sharbat is excellent for the summers, and I'm sure many of you have already relished it or enjoyed it. In Maharashtra particularly, there is a unique combination of kokum with coconut milk, and they make it with some spices which is called sol curry. It is such a refreshing drink, relaxing and excellent for your digestion. Whether it is your mint iced tea or your aam panna, which is made out of raw mangoes, I'm sure you've tasted it. I've grown up all my childhood drinking aam panna when my mother used to particularly make large batches during the summer season. This is ideal because it gives you the right nutrition, it also gives you the perfect fiber, and it has an amazing taste that you will relish for a long time to come. Now, these were certain fruits and vegetables and drinks that are ideal for the summer season. I hope you will try some of them, enjoy and write in your comments of how did you like them. I'm looking forward to listening from you through your comments. Please like, share and subscribe. Till we meet again in another video. Namaste.